Hello viewers, good news for tablet users who want to buy tablets in Flipkart.com. Tablet Premier League will start from 20th of February at noon. So it is a very good news for those who are eagerly waiting for some of the tablets. Flipkart has teased the pricing of some of the tablets. Suppose if you want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, in that case you will get this tablet under 40,000 rupees. However, they haven't mentioned the exact pricing. Similarly, there is offer on Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. It will be available under 15,000 rupees, I hope. And if you want to buy Tab S9 AP Plus, in that case the price will come down under 30,000 rupees. Similarly, if you want to buy iPad 10th generation, in that case it is a very good news for you because the price of iPad 10th generation will come down under 27,000 rupees. So it will be a very good deal. If you want to grab iPad 10th generation, this would be the best time for you. Also, Lenovo Tab Plus will be available under 14,000 rupees, and to be exact 13,749 rupees will be the final price after discount. If you want to buy Redmi Pad AC, in that case the price will be 10,749 rupees, and also there will be discounts on Poco Pad 5G. It will be available under 20,000 rupees. And if you have a tight budget of 10,000 rupees only, in that case you can buy Infinix Xpad. It will have 11 inches display with Wi-Fi and 4G capability. The price of that tablet will be 9,999 rupees. However, Flipkart hasn't mentioned the pricing of Oneplus Pad or Oneplus Pad 2. So if you want to buy any tablet, you have to be ready at the start of the sale and grab the deal if you find your favorite tablet at a discounted price. And if you delay or if you think too much, the price will definitely increase within few hours and you will have no option other than buying at a higher cost or leave that product for time being. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you are planning to buy any tablet in this Tablet Premier League sale on Flipkart.com. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you want to know more about deals and offers on tablet and smartphones, you can subscribe the channel with notification bell on so that you don't miss any video whenever I upload any. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.
For information about the Wikimedia Foundation's involvement with the English Wikipedia, see Wikipedia.